Tech fam! Welcome back to Lyra Tech. Today we're taking a closer look at a highly anticipated electric SUV, the 2025 Ford Explorer EV. Ford's Explorer has been a staple in the family SUV market for decades, and now it's getting a major electrifying makeover. So whether you're a Ford fan, considering your first electric vehicle, or just curious about the future of SUVs, this video is for you. What's new? The biggest news surrounding the 2025 Explorer is its transition to a fully electric powertrain. This means no more gas stations, reduced emissions, and a whole new driving experience. But Ford isn't just swapping engines. The Explorer EV gets a refresh inside and out, keeping its familiar design while incorporating modern electric vehicle aesthetics, power, and performance. While official specs haven't been released yet, rumors suggest the Explorer EV will borrow some technology from its successful sibling, the Mustang Mach-E. This could translate to a range of battery pack options, potentially offering rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive configurations. Performance could vary depending on the chosen setup, but expect a balance between efficiency and power, perfect for everyday driving and occasional road trips. Charging options. The 2025 Explorer EV will likely support various charging options to fit different needs. Level 2 home charging will be ideal for overnight top-ups, while DC fast charging stations will be crucial for longer journeys. Ford might even offer its own network of charging stations or partner with existing providers to ensure convenient charging infrastructure. Stay tuned. That's all we know about the 2025 Ford Explorer EV for now. But stay tuned for part 2, where we'll delve deeper into the interior design, technology features, and what this electric SUV means for the future of family transportation. Interior design. Moving inside the 2025 Explorer EV, we can expect a significant upgrade compared to the previous gasoline model. Ford has been focusing on creating a more luxurious and tech-driven experience in its recent vehicles, and the Explorer EV should be no exception. Imagine spacious seating for up to 7 passengers, with comfortable materials and ample legroom throughout all 3 rows. The driver's cockpit will likely feature a large digital instrument cluster and a central touchscreen infotainment system. Expect features like wireless phone charging, a premium sound system, and a panoramic sunroof to enhance passenger comfort and entertainment. Technology features. The Explorer EV is expected to be packed with the latest driver assistance technologies. These could include automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and even a self-parking system. Ford's Sync infotainment system will likely be present, offering a user-friendly interface for navigation, music streaming, and vehicle settings. Additionally, the Explorer EV might integrate with Ford's Blue Oval intelligence system, allowing for over-the-air software updates and new feature activations even after purchase. The 2025 Ford Explorer EV represents a significant step towards a more sustainable future for family transportation. Electric vehicles offer numerous benefits, from reduced emissions to lower operating costs. The Explorer EV's combination of practicality, technology, and spaciousness makes it a compelling option for families looking to embrace an electric lifestyle. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the 2025 Ford Explorer EV. I hope this video provided valuable insights into this exciting new electric SUV. If you're considering an electric vehicle for your family, the Explorer EV is definitely worth keeping an eye on. As more information becomes available, I'll be sure to create follow-up videos to keep you updated. In the meantime, leave a comment below and let me know what questions you have about the Explorer EV or electric vehicles in general. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content on the latest cars and automotive trends.
Big D made it.